It's hard for me to convey to you guys how dumb I am. Living here in the warehouse, my life has become a complete disaster. I can't find anything. I have so much garbage, I have so much trash, so much nonsense. I'm looking for a car key. I know where all my other car keys are. The problem is the car key that I need is for the car that's parked at the front of the garage, which means I can't move any other cars. Now this disorganization is 100% my fault. The problem is I really need to find this car key because I really got to move this car. So herein lies the problem. I'm missing the key to the Aventador Roadster, which is parked at the front of the garage, which means I can't access any other car whatsoever. Welcome to a day in the life of the dumbest YouTuber in the entire world. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. I'm honestly usually super organized. I have the keys to everything: the 812, the Nissan GTR, the Gladiator, the Corvette, the Super, the TRX, the Murcielago. I just don't have the keys to the Aventador Roadster. So I guess on that incredible bombshell, today's video is effective. I don't know what else to do. Today's video is effectively over. Oh goodness, video ain't over, ladies and gentlemen. You walk in the door, you set down the key, we're back, baby. There's just certain moments in your life you cherish forever. Unbelievable. We're late. Obviously, we're running incredibly late. That's the only reason, trust me. It's the only reason. We gotta make up time. And in world record pace, we have finally made it here to home sweet home. It's not quite home yet, but it's getting very, very close. The neighbors today, we have some very special celebrities coming to the house. I don't know how the neighbor's gonna feel. It's gonna be fun. Now, if my calculations are correct, that, ladies and gentlemen, wait for it. Those garage doors are so cool. Veyron looking so smug. It's more than Okay, shut it down. Wow. I don't think any of my neighbors probably can hear that, right? Like, there's no way. So we have a lot of exciting news in today's video. So yesterday we had our second inspection for certificate of occupancy, and I'm very excited to announce, ladies and gentlemen, yes indeed, we passed, baby. We passed. We finally have occupancy. You're probably thinking we should be moving in right now, and we should, but the problem is there's a caveat. There's always a caveat, it seems like. The caveat is I have a construction loan. I gotta pay that off. I gotta finance it into a traditional mortgage. There's a bunch of paperwork. I gotta sign like 1 million documents. I would think it might take 24 hours, maybe 48 hours. So I would imagine no promises, but I'm thinking next video, we're moving in. Now, when I say we're moving in, that does not mean the house is done. The house is far from done. The house might not be done for 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Honestly, a house is never really done. We still gotta do landscaping. We gotta paint a bunch, the garage, the Batcave, the basement. Like, there is a million things still to do, but we can and will be moving in. So for example, in the two-car garages, all the walls need to be painted. We need polished concrete. This trim needs to be painted black. Also, my buddy Gabe is storing his NSX here in the garage, but the basement, the Batcave, the garage, even inside the house, the kitchen, the laundry room, like there's so much to do in this house. It's gonna be a construction site for a very, very, very long time. This door, for example, it needs painted too. So we're walking inside the master bedroom and check out this brick accent wall we just added. The best part about it, it was leftover brick from the exterior, so all we had to do was pay for the labor. It looks so sick. Shout out to the boys off at Dallin Tile. It looks so cool. I know some people don't like brick, but man, I love it. Well, would you look who it is? Our Canadian friends. Oh my goodness. All right. We gotta hustle. Yo, he's back, ladies and gentlemen. Dude, you made it.
This is a fortress.
Dude, it's insane. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Oh my gosh. Okay, and I thought my event score was loud. What are we gonna do with this guy, David? He comes over. It's insane.
I apologize to your neighbors. All right, dude.
Dude, good to see you.
Your house. Your house is
welcome.
huge.
Thank you. Damon, you dog! Are you kidding me? What? Now I know why. It's so much better in real life. We gotta get more of that for you guys. That thing sounds ridiculous. Oh! What? I want that car! Damon is so smart. This is why Dave and I are deaf, because of guys like this. That's insane. I am legitimately hyperventilating right now. That was such an exhilarating experience. That car sounds so good. There's no other car you need in life. Like, that is the car.
That's the one.
Nothing else is necessary. Lamborghinis, time and time and again. We love the Ferraris, we love the Bugattis, but Lamborghini all day, every day.
There's a problem. There's a debate on the internet. Who is the #1 Lamborghini ambassador on the internet? And is it Strad or DDE? How many Lamborghinis do you have? He has to think about it. He has more. He's definitely the more ambassador.
Oh wow! I've been crowned.
I think you might.
In this exact moment.
You just need to get a Huracan. Tell you what, you get a Huracan.
Okay.
I'll give you the title.
How many Huracans do you guys own?
Right now?
How many Huracans have you guys owned?
Oh my God.
You can't even keep track.
Five?
This is why I don't have a Huracan, guys. Damon and Dave, they own all of them. Car is so good. Straight into traffic too. Oh my goodness. We need an SVJ. I have 2 Aventadors, but you know, I think I need a 3rd one. Also, Damon, you gotta turn right, bro. He's gonna miss the gas station. Oh my gosh, this guy. Bro, look at you just standing there, so smug, so calm, collected.
I'll
take
fill
it.
it
No,
up.
I got it.
And you take it out.
Okay, I'm not gonna say no to that.
You know how to
Let's
do
do
this.
it. I know it's an Aventador. I got it, Aventador. Lamborghini Porticini.
Let off. Ba-boom, ba-bang, the bing, the boom, the bing, the bang, the boom.
Just like what he said. Well, I have been told I have to accelerate. I don't have a choice. I just have to. Sounds so good. I already know the audio is not capturing it. There's just nothing like an Aventador. I know Damon and I are the biggest Lambo fanboys in the entire world, but we're not wrong. They're the best cars in the world. They really are.
People gotta stop hating on the transmission, because honestly, the transmission is what makes it fun.
Absolutely, no, when it kicks you, there's nothing like that. All these newer fast cars with their DCTs and blah, 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 blah,
Dude,
they drive like robots.
In the back of the head.
Exactly. The more I think about it, the more I realize we probably should do it one more time. Oh, so good, it kicks so hard. Oh. So, bro, no, he just flipped his lights on. We're good. We're good. Okay, we gotta put this baby in Strada mode. Close the valves. We're just chilling. You guys didn't see what happened? You don't need to know. You don't. You. Damon, you dog. No, we're. Oh.
No, we're good.
We're good.
We're good. Not getting impounded today. We're good.
Could you imagine that?
Strad
I impounded DD's SVJ. Wow. You see, this is why you shouldn't let me drive this. You guys didn't see. So coming the other direction, there may or may not have been a state trooper that flashed his lights on.
Police.
Sir, if you're watching today's video, I appreciate you, I support you, and thank you. We are headed home now. Oh my goodness, I gotta park this car. I'm giving you the keys back and we're done. Like, I'm going home, I'm having a quiet evening with my dog, and we're gonna sit by my fireplace. Take them, I don't want anything to do with them. I'm done, I am done. I almost spent my first night in jail.
He was going head on to a Mexico police officer.
Craziest thing.
The federales? The
federales. But we're good. We're good. He flicked the lights on and then he flicked them off.
So I took one piece off your car and hit it. Your job's to figure out what piece that is now. It's important.
This is the problem. We leave this guy with a Bugatti. Unbelievable.
One item. Here. You can buy a new one.
Yeah, we're gonna need this. I have never been more excited to come back home an innocent man. We're innocent. We made it home. We're gonna park this car, we're gonna lock it, we're gonna throw away the keys. Not this car, Damon's car. It was Damon's car. It's Damon's fault. It's not my car, it's Damon's fault. You come all this way from Canada via California to Utah. There's one thing you still gotta do, bro.
Also went through Arizona.
Yes, you did.
Got a ticket.
Yes, you, imagine that. Yes. Many tickets, right? Didn't everybody get tickets? The whole crew got tickets.
You get a ticket, you get a ticket, you get a ticket.
I didn't get a ticket.
You didn't get a ticket.
That Utah luck.
That's because you weren't here. You should have came. You weren't there. Not here, there. Anyhow, can I park in your elevator?
Absolutely, that's what I've been waiting for. Let's do it.
Let's go.
This is so much fun. This is why you have a car elevator. Every time the homies come over, you gotta use it for no reason. We don't need to drop it in the Batcave. We're just going to because we can. This car, such an iconic car, looks so cool. Yes, sir. Come more! You guys. Oh my gosh. That's pretty fast.
Get down.
We gotta hop down. We gotta do it fast though. Of course. Everybody on the interwebs was complaining how slow this is.
It's not slow at all.
It's not bad. It's honestly not bad.
Another 240 pounds.
Bro. I still cannot get over how sick this is. The DDE SUJ, bro. We gotta rev it. We gotta do flame season.
I feel like Batman right now.
Welcome to the Bat Lair.
All the cool stuff.
Dude, the lighting down here is so sick though. Like just the silhouette right now. got the shot.
All right, did you? Did you get that?
The heat was unbelievable. No, wait, no, we're good. Close the door. What an absolutely crazy day. Damon, always a pleasure.
See you for dinner.
All right, see you then. Unbelievable. The neighbors, my poor neighbors, I feel so bad. That SVJ is so loud. The revving there in the garage, I have never experienced something like that. I can feel it in my soul. That was an absolutely crazy day with the boys from Daily Driven Exotics. I know the video was kind of sort of chaotic once they got here, but that SVJ, when you describe that car, it's absolute chaos and absolute carnage. I have never heard a V12 sound so good in my entire life. Now, today's video is not quite over. We have one more exciting item we have to cover. Chicago, Illinois, B-Rogue built, twin turbo Lamborghini Gallardo. Now, I could tell you what they did today, or I could just share a very short video clip with you guys, which is what I'm gonna do right on now. That's right, ladies and gentlemen, the first startup on my twin turbo Lamborghini Gallardo. So next up, the car's going on the dyno, we're doing the tuning, and then we're taking delivery and flying from here to North Carolina. That car's gonna be so sick. Gated 6-speed manual transmission, I cannot wait. Also in other news, you might note, I know, but I got occupancy, right? Shh, today's video's over. Dave and I are negotiating back and forth right now.
I'm watching this.
SVJ purveyor on straight up. That's not a good deal for me.
Good deal for you.
No,
it's
it's
a DD branded car.
He's quite the negotiator.
Do you want to get views like we do, James?